Do you want to know how to upload shorts on YouTube from your mobile? Then you have come to the right video, because in this video I will show you that how you can do this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So first of all, we will open up our YouTube application here. Then we will click on this plus icon in the bottom. Then here you can see different options here. You will click on this option which is called upload video, and then we will actually select our YouTube short video from here. Okay, so make sure that your video is less than 60 seconds and it's in a vertical format. Okay, so we will click on this video here. Then we will click on this next button here. Then again we will click on this next here. Then we will add some details here. So let's suppose if I wanted to add the details, oil trading patterns, and then you can actually add the hashtags, okay, if you want. So these are the hashtags that I used. And then after this you will actually click on this video where it says upload short, and then you can see here that your video is being uploaded. So let's wait for it to complete the upload here. And now here it says that ready to watch. So if I refresh this, so now you can see that this video is the short video, because we can see this shorts logo here. And if I click on shorts here, you will see this video here. It's uploaded like 15 seconds ago. Okay, so that's it for this video here. And if you like this video, show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions in your mind about this video today, you can actually ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.